Hi Kaumays! In this video, I will show you how to set up and how to use the portable sewing machine. If you want to start learning how to sew, this video will help you. In this video, I will also show how to use the reverse function, and I will also show samples of 12 stitch types. So stay tuned and don't skip. Let's start! This is the portable sewing machine, and you can purchase it from Shopee or Lazada. This one is the bobbin and the bobbin case. This is used to hold the thread for sewing machine. The bobbin feeds the thread through the machine to help secure a stitch. Let's try to remove it. Gently push and then pull the cover. Take out the bobbin. By the way, I use polyester type of sewing thread. I don't recommend that to you guys. I recommend that you should buy the cotton type of sewing thread because that is more durable and not prone to breakage. Okay, let's put it back. Gently push the cover. This is the needle and the presser foot. The presser foot holds the cloth. You can change the needle and the presser foot. Let's move to the next part. This is the pattern selection dial, where you can choose the type of stitch you want to do. It has 12 types. I normally use pattern number 2. Later, I will show you and demonstrate to you the 12 types of stitches. Next is the reverse button, where you control reverse stitching. You cannot pull it down if it has no power source. Later, I will show you how to use this. This one is the power off and speed switch. This is ideal to use for winding the bobbin. This is the hand wheel. This controls the movement of the needle. It can be clockwise or counterclockwise direction. This is the Bobbin Winder stop and the Bobbin Winder pin. I will make a separate video on how to wind the bobbin. So guys, please subscribe. This is the Bobbin Winder tension disc. It controls the tension of the thread. Also got measurement in centimeters here. Now, let's see the back view. These two holes here are for foot pedal and AC/DC input or power source. This one is the presser foot lift. This is used to control up and down movement of the presser foot. Now let's plug in the foot pedal and the power cord. Now, let's insert the thread. Look carefully, please. Make sure you insert the thread to thread pulling bar. The one I am pointing now is the upper thread tension dial, where you can control how tight your thread tension is, and controls the thread pulling bar. Normally, use between 3 to 5 to avoid breaking of the thread. Continuously insert the thread to needle. In order to insert the thread easier, use needle threader like what I am doing now. Let's get the bobbin thread by winding the hand wheel. This machine also has the LED light. Now I will demonstrate the types of stitching patterns. This is number 1. This is number 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and finally pattern number 12. How to use the reverse button. Continue watching. Use the reverse button in order to control it. Just press down. Now it's working. Reverse is working. Okay, we're done. Thank you for watching. See you again next vlog. Bye!